Dora and Jack share 24 pounds in the ratio 3:5. How much money do they each receive? For this one, it's important for us to draw a bar model because it helps us to visualize the problem. Here, the first Dora refers to 3. You remember we use the names and the ratio numbers come in order. And then Jack has 5 lots. Now remember, with ratio, the parts are all equal. Now altogether, they have 24 pounds. So it means these 8 parts represents 24 pounds. So if 8 parts represents 24 pounds, what will each part represent? That is where our calculation becomes useful. So we'll do that by dividing 24 pounds by 8 parts to find out what one part is worth. Now, when we do that, we'll see that each part is actually worth 3 pounds. Now, we can find out how much Dora has and how much Jack has by multiplying 3 pounds by 3, because Dora has 3 parts, which will be 9 pounds. And then 3 pounds by 5, which is Jack's number of parts, and that gives us 15 pounds altogether. Of course, we can check that we're actually right, because if Dora gets 9 pounds and Jack gets 15 pounds, if we add them, you will see that we will get 24 pounds in total. Now, Dora and Jack share 24 pounds in the ratio 3:5. How much more money does Jack get than Dora? Again, we can draw a bar model to represent the parts. So Dora has 3 parts and Jack has 5 parts. Now, we know that they shared 24 pounds. Now, altogether, we know that just looking at the diagram, we know that Jack has 2 parts more than Dora. One way we can do our calculation is to find out what each part is worth. So we know that each part is 3 pounds, the same like we found out in our calculation earlier. So now we know that Dora has 9 pounds and Jack has 15 pounds. Well, there are 2 ways we can do this. We already know, looking at Jack's number of parts and Dora's number of parts, that Jack has 2 parts more than Dora. So we can simply say that if each part is worth 3 pounds, then those 2 parts that Dora is short of will just be 2 times 3 pounds, which is 6 pounds. Or we can simply work out the difference between 9 and 15 pounds, which will be 6 pounds. So earlier, we knew that Dora had 9 pounds and Jack had 15 pounds. And we can also work it out here. So if you do 15 pounds minus 9 pounds, we will see that we'll get 6 pounds.